Let me give you a quick demo of how Reattend works and why we believe it solves organizational memory loss. Every company makes thousands of decisions, assumptions, and trade-offs. Almost all of that context gets lost across meetings, Slack, docs, and inboxes. 6 months later, nobody remembers why something was done, only what was done. Reattend is built to preserve that intelligence. First, I log in. This is the dashboard, the home surface where all work lives. Everything in Reattend is organized by projects. A project represents a real initiative, team, or problem space. You can create multiple projects, but for this demo, I'll open an existing one. Here, you can immediately see the living memory of the project, how many memories exist, what decisions have been made, and how the knowledge is evolving over time. Now, let me show you how a memory gets created. I'm pasting a sample transcript here. Imagine this coming from a meeting tool like Read.ai or a research summary from Perplexity. Today, these artifacts usually just sit in our inboxes or folders with no intelligence layered on top. When I save this into Reattend, the system automatically extracts and structures the intelligence. Key decisions, assumptions, constraints, outcomes, related context and entities. Instead of raw text, we now have structured organizational knowledge. If everything looks correct, I commit the memory. Once saved, the memory appears in the memory graph. This graph is both causal, showing how decisions lead to outcomes and dependencies. Temporal, showing how thinking evolves over time. You can link memories together, trace why something happened, and understand how today's state came to be. Over time, this becomes a living brain for the organization, not just a document store. The inbox is where unresolved gaps surface. Open questions, missing context, forgotten decisions, incomplete reasoning. It acts like a radar for organizational blind spots. As the system grows, teams continuously refine and enrich their memory instead of losing it. Now let me go to the Ask section. Here, you can ask questions about your organization, not just retrieve documents. Reattend doesn't just respond like a chatbot. It reasons with you, pulls context across memories, connects causality, and helps you think through decisions like a living war room for your organization's intelligence. Think of this as an expanding organizational brain that gets smarter as your team works. This is our MVP today. The long-term vision is to eliminate organizational amnesia, where teams forget why decisions were made, repeat mistakes, and lose critical institutional knowledge as people change. Reattend preserves reasoning, not just information, so organizations can compound their intelligence over time.